course, we got the Lufthansa Queen just running about 5 minutes behind here today. Not too bad.
840 Echo 124011.
The E-Jet now rolling down as the Lufthansa Queen on short funnel for 24 right. This is wearing the 1500th 747 sticker. Just a small little sticker in the back of the plane.
That's at 545, just continue straight ahead and hold short of Charlie. Contact ground 121.75. Skyway 840 Echo, good job, contact the public. W2036 traffic, 7 mile final, runway 24.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! We're getting that go around, holy moly! Wow! Going around, that is the roughest landing I think we've ever caught on our broadcast. Holy moly! Wow.
We got the 456, turn right heading 271 for traffic. Got the 456 traffic at your 12 o'clock in 1 mile, the Embraer out of 1,900. Got the 456 maintain 2,000. Got the 456 contact Socal departure on 125.2.
Wow. We're smelling that now. So the Lufthansa Queen will get another chance. It's up next once again. Lufthansa Flight 456 coming in from Frankfurt. The 747-8 Intercontinental having a rough, extremely rough landing first time around, going around after slamming it down on 24 right.
Turbulence preceded by heavy 747, 124012, runway 24 right for the land. Japan 061 heavy, contact Socal departure.
Socal departure, Japan 061 heavy, 6.